Look, it's a pleasure to be here again. The fact of the matter is that you have this discussion on the global economy that always happens as the institutions release their forecasts and so on. But the agenda to be covered over the weekend by the ministers will be more on two other topics. One of them is the different views on whether to reform multilateral institutions, particularly the World Bank. And the other topic will be definitely on the table, will be the situation of debt of countries that are currently facing distressed financial situations. I don't believe the spring meetings will be very, very conclusive in that regard, but it will, let's say, lay the ground for the annual meetings that will happen in October in Marrakesh and Morocco. And until then, it will become more clear what to do with respect to the World Bank itself, as well as how to do, if anything, with the situation of indebtedness of many developing countries at the time. But the forecast that came out yesterday and today, they were not surprising at all. As we all expected, a certain decrease in the growth rate this year as compared to the historic average. But nonetheless, attention it was called to the potential stresses that might come on the financial sector side. The great unknown at this moment is the extent to which the banking troubles of last month and potential new source of stress on the financial side might lead to a credit crunch, let's say, in addition to the interest rate hikes. That's why even the opinions of the officials of the FOMC are divided on whether the interest rate hikes have already been enough on the West side.